Kevin, you'll be the entry to my bike check. It's a nice day out. Alright guys, this is my bike check. I thought I'd do a new one because I got a lot of new parts actually. So let's begin. So let's begin with the grips. I got Odyssey grips with Odyssey par ends. They feel really nice and soft. Swag. Over here, I got them too. Shit. There we go. S&M Perfect 10 bars. It's like a 30 width. I got an animal stem. It's a nice stem. I got a Sabrosa forks. I got an animal javelin hub laced to an animal rim with Primo spokes. I got the Odyssey Aiken tires, front and back, 2.25. My new frame, it's an S&M ATF frame in translucent green, 21 top tube length. I thought I'd get a smaller top tube because I can't like spin as much. I have a demolition headset. Next, I got the Fiend Fat Pivotal seat on an animal seat post, and it's very nice. I like it. Next, we got the We the People Royals cranks, and I'm not sure what millimeter they are. I think they're 170. And next, I got premium slim pedals. I just replaced the sleeves on them because I thought I would since I got a new frame and everything. I got a 25 tooth Mutiny sprocket and a shadow chain. I got another Odyssey Aiken tire back here, 2.25. I have an animal javelin laced to an animal rim. Same here, I got some Primo spokes. And come over here. I got the animal butcher pegs. And the claw bottom bracket. Claw's very nice. It makes some very reliable shit. But yeah, it's a very nice bike. I definitely recommend this frame. It's so comfortable in 21, like in a 21 inch, it's very comfortable. So I highly recommend it. And that's my bike.
Hey, hey, teach me how to do it, hey. They be like Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the girls love it, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dunk it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that dougie.